going on, guys? My name is Alex Widdick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's an awesome one. I hope you guys are very excited because I am overly excited. The TT is fully operational. I've been away for 5 days, but you know what? That's no big deal because we've been getting this car all sorted out. If you guys enjoyed today's video at any point, make sure you throw today's video a like because we're trying to hit 500 likes. And if you guys want to keep up to date with what's going on when I'm not on YouTube, make sure you go ahead and follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI and follow my TikTok at alexwiduchbusiness. Some days I don't have YouTube content or I just don't feel like making a whole entire video out of little stuff for you guys. I don't want you guys to miss out on any of that content, so I always post it on my other socials. The thing I don't think I mentioned to you guys was how the whole entire hood got destroyed, and well, now I kind of fixed it. Off camera the other day, I also made a TikTok about it. Made a fully solid engine mount like I did to this side, which looks absolutely awesome. This engine literally has no movement, like literally none at all. One of the issues I was battling all week was the exhaust was a little bit loose, but also I kept snapping these hoses and it was really getting me unmotivated. Went ahead, I fixed that problem. I got this wire here to bend this out of the way a little bit because it was hitting this strut brace mount. I kept snapping these lines because it was hitting that. Now that all these mounts are all fixed up, it's absolutely awesome. The car is running so well, and I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I spent more money on fuel in the past 3 days than I've made off YouTube in the past month and a half. Not gonna lie, this thing eats fuel, and I just been absolutely loving it. Just driving back roads and just been having so much fun. So let's jump right into today. Let's go ahead, head over to the gas station. I feel like I live there, but you know what? That's just life. I put $15 in fuel in this thing every single day, sometimes even twice a day. I literally just love driving the TT. I love handability, and I'm not used to that. As you guys know, my content is all about Volkswagens, but I do love my stance, and this car makes crazy power, 300 foot-pounds of torque. That TDI right there is just as fast as this TT, but the only problem is it's limited on traction, turning, all that stuff. So I am loving the back roads. I am loving eating up turns, and I am loving hitting boost and just hearing that vacuum cleaner just... It sounds crazy. Literally just went ahead, took silver spray paint after I dollied this all out, just so it blends in, doesn't rust and all that stuff. So to go ahead, grab the keys, start the TT up, warm her up, and let's head over to the gas station. So I just started it up, I let it run, I gave it a little bit of throttle, and I don't know if this is good or not, but the KO4 might have, you know, oh, that's a lot of blue smoke. If you didn't already grab your popcorn for today, make sure you grab your popcorn. This might get interesting if the KO4 blows. If one of you guys have a KO4 for sale, definitely throw it down in the comments because this is not looking good. Also, the car was a little bit low on oil yesterday, so I overfilled it, I think. I didn't really check the dipstick, so maybe I just overfilled it and the turbo seals are leaking that extra oil. Let's pray. Coming over the world's famous. Nothing like getting this car in a boost, honestly. Just listen to it. I hope you're a subscriber. If you know him, tag him. So, this is a little POV of my face when I'm shifting gears. I have no speedometer, so we could be doing 40, we could be doing 80. I don't know. Super bumpy, but like, who cares? Jump hard!
How you doing?
Hi, could I get $10 super?
10 super?
I just left the gas pump and I honestly only put $10 in the car. And when I started the car back up, I smelled lots of oil. You hate to hear it. Like I said, sell me a KO4. I would really like a KO4 hybrid, but she's still spooling. If she eats oil, I'll just keep dumping liquid moly in her. If you guys need any oil, head on over to my ECS link down in the description. Buy yourself some liquid moly, some oil filters, whatever you guys need. You guys know me, I bought this car for content, and I'm just gonna keep up using it, having fun, and making you guys smile. So let's rip it. My camera away, but I passed some road workers that were doing patchwork. If I was in the purple car, I'd be destroyed. My wheels would be done so. There's so many holes in the road that weren't filled, but all of them were going like this, and I ripped it. That turbo noise was hitting different. I made their days, hopefully. If you're one of those guys and you're subscribed, heck yeah, bud. I like making people's days, and it's so sick seeing people get hyped on the car. Detour, this should be fun. Patchwork of the century, okay. Oh, there's nothing like hitting patchwork on these back roads on this private lake. It just hits different. You guys live on a lake or near a lake, and and you know all about the back roads and the patchwork and the speed bumps, let me know in the comments. Oh my God, another detour. They sent me up. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Pulled up on what I think is a Mark 7. It looks kind of cool. It looks like it has a aftermarket exhaust on it. I'm not too sure. It's got tints and stuff. We never see Volkswagens in my area, so it's a real special moment for me. Even if it's a dad or a mom, you know, it's just a real sentimental time for me right now, close to my heart. And of course, just as our time was spent together so magically, I caught a red light. Hey, there's someone with a BMW right there. That's the type of stance we have in our area. There's really nothing. This isn't annoying. Not annoying at all. I'll tell you what I really like about this car. It doesn't stand out like 100%. Like if someone would say there was a silver Audi in the area, you know, it's like kind of like, oh, there's a couple of those. Purple car, I'd be like screwed. But man, I love pissing off Karens in this car, and I don't know why, but there's nothing like two-stepping and all that good stuff and turbling. It's a great time. Today's Instagram shout out goes to Trent Holmes. Trent, thank you so much for leaving your Instagram down below and using that hashtag. If you guys want to have a chance to have your Instagram shout out on the next video, all you got to do is leave today's hashtag, which is #car, and leave your Instagram down below, and you'll have the chance to have your Instagram shout out in the next video. Everything seems to be pretty good. I keep going back and checking this down with the torque wrench, and everything keeps checking out. The last thing I want to do is have the motor mounts come loose because I am not using the correct bolts from OE, so they might stretch. So I'll make sure that I keep up on them while the new bolts are actually coming in that are going to work for the car exactly. Transmission bolts are the same, and so are the motor mounts, but the ones that go to the body itself on the frame rail, those bolts are grade 8 from Lowe's, so I don't think that they're going to stretch, but I like to keep checking up on them. But everything seems good, even if I step on the motor. Literally zero movement. That is awesome. I can't wait for the winter months to be coming around and the cooler months. I mean, I know I love summer, but I really do love the fall because it's so much cooler outside and I can work. It's harder to work in the winter time, but as you guys know, the TT is all-wheel drive, so this thing's gonna drive absolutely amazing in the snow. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think I should lift the car, and definitely gonna be throwing snow tires on it, but if you guys think I should lift it, I'll do that as well. Just haven't really put too much thought towards that. The oil on the TT, it actually seems really clear, which is absolutely awesome, and the level is pretty good. Alright guys, so I just pulled up on Joey. He's out here spanning his truck, making it look nice and clean. Where'd the cleaning utensils go, bud?
The mysterious bin of cleaning crap.
I'll do a transmission swap real quick before we leave.
Joe, how's your day going?
Pretty good. I just had 2 classes. Pretty fun. Classes in session.
You know, people comment into the comments. They're like, yeah, I was watching you during my, what are those classes called? The
Zooms and stuff?
Yeah, they're like, yeah, watch your vlogs during a Zoom class. I'm like,
That's
oh,
the way you gotta do it, man. You can't pay attention to any of that crap.
Joey knows what's up. So recently, Joey acquired this beautiful toolbox, and he is over here giving it to me.
Yeah.
What a guy. I don't even know the brand. Do you know what brand this thing is?
What is that? Something TD Tools.
We don't know, but this thing is minty fresh. It's got locks on it. You can lock the drawers. Look, you can't even get into that one. We're gonna load this up into the truck. Wish us luck. It's probably not even that heavy. It's probably good, what, 40 pounds?
Maybe more.
Joey, you're gonna do this on your own?
Yeah, of course. I'm just gonna use my, I'm gonna put it on my feet and then lift it into the bed with my feet over my head. There we go.
Crispy.
Look at that.
Look at all those drawers in there. Ooh, and they even have the pad in them.
Oh yeah, man. Pad's an extra $50, bro. Oh damn, this one's got a pretty big compartment.
Were you hiding this?
Barbecue burritos. Could put like a little grill in there if you really wanted to. Run a wire through the back, open it up mid-working, flip the burger, close it back up. Smoke it, the door closed. Get a little rust smell in there too.
You might die of rust if you start cooking in there. Come on, Joey, unlock the thing, man.
You gotta have that one open.
Pretty cool is that these actually have little like sliders on here, and these actually hook onto the side, so you can make this like double wide. Where I think I'm gonna be putting it into the garage, I'm not gonna be having it double wide, and we might just keep stacking like this, but these are honestly endless. And this thing is literally mint. It looks like pretty old on the outside, you know, it's got flaking paint and stuff. That's nothing we cannot fix, can't work with, so I'm pretty stoked for that.
Maybe I can just back my truck up.
I say we literally, so what I'm thinking, right, is you leave the box right there and you just back the truck up as fast as you can. By propulsion, this whole thing's just gonna throw itself in the truck. Maybe the bottom piece is gonna fly, but
just drive into it.
Yeah, honestly, just keep your foot to the floor all the way till you hit that pole, or that one, or that one.
I mean, I'm gonna go for this one first.
Let's see if you hit the bouncy ball. I think it'll stop the truck.
Definitely. Well, there's a shirt there we can put to stop it too in front of the pole so it doesn't break anything.
It's on the shirt.
Derek Jeter shirt.
It's wet.
Derek Jeter's wet. Come on.
just came from
We're transporting a couple families of spiders as well.
Ralph, keep it down. We got a high quality 4K production going on here.
Before I make the drive, I always gotta make sure I'm wearing my name tag so people know me when I'm driving. And just don't forget, I'm new, so be patient, please.
You ever taken a load this big before?
Oh yeah, come on. Twice as big sometimes. To be honest with you, I just rebuilt this Dana 60.
You got a Dana in this bad boy?
Yeah. This is my stick shift right here. This is park, reverse, all that. No big deal.
To be honest with you guys, I don't think there's a better man for the job. I mean, look at Joey's driving skills. Look how he takes those bumps. Yo, it's so zoomed in. So we're in convoy right now. Joey's behind this motorcycle and I'm having the time of my life. That just makes me smile. I don't know how you guys feel about the burbles, but... All right, well, I just got home. Coming here to drop off this beautiful, beautiful toolbox. Like I said, we didn't even know the brand. We just got free toolbox action. She's a beaut, boy. She is a beaut. Joey, thanks for making the drive. Thanks for dropping it off.
Slipping transmission, the best.
Joey hooked me up. If anyone wants to hook Joey up, he's got a slipping transmission. I know somebody in the comments lives in New Jersey, PA, Connecticut, all that. Hook Joey up. Fix his trans for free. For free.
Free job, yeah. Just rip it out, replace it, rebuild it, everything. Free though.
Free. I'll give you a shout out on the YouTubes. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm pretty upset. Joey doesn't want to just throw it out, kind of like whistling diesel. I kind of want to throw it out. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Maybe in the future though, shoot it or something. Kind of like whistling diesel's going to do with the R8. I know you're going to destroy the thing, bud. Holds up to the test. Oh my God. Honestly, looks like someone sharded themselves coming out of the back there. I'm a little bit afraid, but I don't know. Maybe Rich, the previous owner, maybe he took a dump ski and it leaked out the hole.
All right, guys. So basically, we got this toolbox in here, and it's getting installed by my worker, Alex. This is my YouTube channel now. I'm taking over. Subscribe. Swipe up at TiltedTDI at alexwiduch1. Follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. What do you got to say about it? This is my worker. I just let my worker start today.
Hi guys, I just started today. My name's Alex Widuch. I'm 21 years old. My birthday's in November, and I'm just here working for Joey. He's a great YouTuber. And
don't pay much attention to him. He's my worker, like I said.
Honestly, that's how a lot of YouTubers helpers are. You know, they're in the spotlight, but once they fail, they're out of commission. You know.
You heard her here first.
Your brother just pulled up in his Audi A4.
What's up, brother? Look who it is. What's up, JK? Does anybody call you that?
Guys, huge shout out to Joey. Here's Joey's Instagram right now. Go give him a follow. It's my boy. Always hooks it up. Great guy, great friend, great truck. We go everywhere together. You know, the days when I'm not filming, I'm at Joey's. We're hanging out.
We're chilling.
Look at him. He's steezing right now. He's steezing. He's an iron worker. He's got his, Red Wings on. He got chocolate on the lens. Beautiful. We just had ice cream, so that's just the way it goes.
All right, I'm shoot.
It's a sad time, but it's just the way it goes. Joey, what's Jen making tonight?
Lobster and filet mignon, side of garlic shrimp.
Do you actually?
No, dude. Can you imagine?
Joey's not even getting paid. I mean, if we hit 150,000 views, I will give Joey $100.
Yeah.
I'll give you $100 if we get 150,000 views on this.
All right.
So share this, guys.
Yeah, share it. Give me that $100.
Share it. All right, so it's pretty funny. My buddy Patrick, who has a VR6 TT Quattro, literally just spotted me. Patrick, how's the whip? Ooh, man, got a quick check milkshake?
Dude,
chill.
they're so good.
Oh my God. Dude, the car's looking good. If you guys don't remember, a while back, Patrick actually let me drive this for a vlog when I was around like 12K subs, and now we're at 24 almost. We're ripping right now. He's got the glow system. And it's so funny that I literally was just driving. Patrick's like, yo, I just saw you, and like played a little catch up, but here we are, ripping.
About time, dude. I wanted to see the hood exit.
Yeah, dude, it's sick. Guys, I missed filming it. Patrick got so scared from it. What did you think about that?
Dude, that's loud. I mean, honestly, it did sound. I got really scared.
Dude, I wish I got the first one, but the second one was just as good. Holy crap.
That is loud. You should have seen the guys at Quick Check, so I was walking out.
Yeah.
You just walked out the door as soon as you took the turn.
Yeah.
So you took the turn and then you started like hitting it,
yeah,
stepping it. Dude, everyone in the gas station, like some old dude was like, huh, looking around. Everyone's head turned.
That's so funny. Literally everywhere I go with this thing, I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna get love or hate, but it's fun driving it, you know?
There was no hate, but it was funny. Like, it was just quick. Everyone was like, what?
That's so funny.
Then they saw like the tiny TT, and everyone was kind of like, you can see like, what's going on.
Dude, this thing is so fun. I freaking love it. It's so funny that I caught up with you. You wanna go for a rip in it?
This?
Yeah. You wanna park your car somewhere?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take Patrick for a little rip in the TT, which is gonna be absolutely sick. He's gonna be stoked for that, so we're gonna go park his car somewhere. Patrick's gonna hop in the passenger seat. We're gonna rip this thing. Patrick and I have been driving for the past like 10 minutes. Patrick, what do you think so far?
I love it. Famous.
So Patrick has an all-wheel drive VR6 TT, and I've been in it. I've driven it. It's super quick, straight from the factory. Honestly, like it's almost faster than the current state of this TT. So it's something where Patrick should be like, oh my god, this thing's crazy. But as far as the hood exit goes, it's pretty enjoyable, right?
I love it. I love the turbo. The sound is nice. The sound that you get from this kind of car it's amazing. Because you don't expect it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, it's just the inspection is like, that's what's cool about it. You don't expect
Exactly.
it.
As Patrick's leaving us, Patrick, I appreciate you, man.
Thank you for having me.
Born on the same day, both have TTs, both were neighbors for years. Magical. You have a good one, bud.
You too, homie.
Hey! Hey! Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. There was so much going on. Good time seeing Patrick. Thank you to Joey for that awesome toolbox. I'm so hyped on it. The TT is looking awesome. I just popped the hood to cool it off for a little bit. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Like the video if you guys enjoyed. Follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI. If you don't already, check out the TikToks. It's alexwiduch6. Check it right out if you enjoy the daily content, the shenanigans, the short videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, your build is unique to you. Keep smiling. Don't even put you down. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you next one. Peace.